Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how you can make your Galaxy A73 5G louder. So we have to start from the settings, then go to the sound and vibration, sound and vibration, and slide down to the sound quality and effects. Tap on it, choose equalizer and select the loudest one and keep it. Keep it enabled and that's it. You can also tap on the custom and slide up all of these sliders. But you can also open the Dolby Atmos and choose one of them equalizer too. So check which one is the loudest and keep it. But if that way it's not enough for you, you can always try to download a volume booster app. This is the name of this application, and if you launch it, just click no thank you 3 times and close the window. Then tap OK, and by this little slider you can increase and decrease the volume booster power. To turn off this app, tap on the stop service and OK. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.